So I'm cleaning out the fridge right now, my parents' fridge, to see what kind of foods I can give to the animals. Because they've been out for basically a week now, and my mom said that she had a bunch of food in there that's been sitting in there for a couple of days, so make sure to like clean it out, throw it out. Okay. Here's the bucket I'm gonna use. This is just an old pool bucket, and I'm just gonna throw everything in here so I can bring it out, because I don't want to bring my mom's Tupperware out to the farm because I know she'll so we got this lettuce that is getting all moldy. The lettuce. Okay. Yeah, that's really bad. We got some shriveled up kale. We got 2 containers of leftovers. Leftover old rice. Put chicken and peas. Oh, that's stuck. Ooh, there we go. We got some leftover bread. Throw that in there. And we got some more, I think this is spinach, and spinach. I have some leftover Chinese food from last night that I ordered. I left it out, so I'm gonna give them my leftover Chinese food. Chinese food that I left out last night. There's some oranges over here that I can go through and pick out the nasty oranges, because there's a bunch of fruit flies all over here. Well, oranges, that's going to the animals. All right, let's see what else. This is what we're looking, you can't even see it, but that's what we got in here so far. You can see that the lettuce is getting really bad. Okay, what else can we throw in here? We're gonna go ahead and take this out to them, and they're gonna be very happy that this is their snack for the day. Bro, if you could hear. They're running back and forth right now, waiting for me to get in. So here we got the bucket. Now, they already ate this morning, but this is like their afternoon snack, to distract them from me picking the eggs so they don't bother me. I can hear you. Give me a second. I'll just put y'all on the fence real quick. I'm going to feed them right here. Let me grab the food. Give me a second. Hold on. Move. There we go. Stop it. There's nothing in the bucket. All right, let me go pick the eggs while they're all distracted now. And then they got plenty of hay over here. The chickens usually eat the other food, and they mostly eat hay. This one right here got his head stuck in the fence on the other side this morning. And so I had to go get his head unstuck because he couldn't move. But now he's doing okay, right? You better now that your head ain't stuck?